In this video, I'll show you how you can create and insert your autoresponder HTML code to your website. Okay, so once you have created the autoresponder and inserted the necessary messages, so this is how you do it. Okay, first you go to messages. This is the first part of the screen. Okay, once you log in, this is the first page that you see. Okay, so you click messages here. Okay, as you can see, this is the first message. So since this is an easing or newsletter online newsletter, so I only have my first message and the rest will be manually sent. Okay, so look at this options. So in order for you to generate the code, you click on this link, generate code. So I click here. Okay, so the form fields, you'll tick what are the things that you want to appear on the form. Okay, there are a lot of things that you can ask. There are a lot of fields that you can actually insert, but it's not that necessary to have all of these, especially if you are only publishing an easing or a online newsletter. So for me, I will only ask the first name. I will not ask the middle and the last name. And if you click on mandatory, that means the prospect must write down their name on the field. If they don't write anything there and they click submit button, you will go to an error page. So if you click on mandatory, that will happen. If not, the prospect can actually just leave the name blank and manage to be subscribed to the autoresponder, which is of course not that good. So I will personally choose mandatory. Okay, so company name, department, street address is all not necessary for me. I think that's all. The email is understood. The field will automatically be created. So go check the main autoresponder. Okay, it's your autoresponder to the easing, and you can choose some of these options if you want to track. You can also include a tracking tag if you want. These tags will actually track for you. Let's say you have many pages. Okay, you want to put this HTML form or this email capture form on many pages of your website. So you can track. You put a tracking tag page 1, tracking tag page 2, or tracking tag on the whatever pages that you wish to include the form. So you will make these unique tags and you will include it in to your autoresponder, to the HTML code. Okay, so from there, when you click on the subscribers here, show list, I'll show you an example. It's a bit slow, please bear with me. Okay, I show you an example. As you can see here, this tracking tag, if it's none, that means I do not specify anything. There's webmaster video or 21 secrets. So these are the tags. That means I will know that actually this person, this guy, this email address, okay, he subscribed from a form which is from my ebook, webmaster video ebook. And this email, this guy Dino, okay, he subscribed to my autoresponder from my 21 secrets ebook. So that's how you track. Okay, so it's good method to know how effective your advertising is. So after you have chosen all this, then you can also click here to offer them choice of format, whether they want HTML or not. Okay, and you can write anything here. I prefer to have the form button text as click here to subscribe, so I write it. Okay, so once you have generated everything, so you can generate the code by clicking here. Okay, so we have the code right now, so you have to include all this to your HTML, your website, okay, your HTML page. Okay, so I'll just select all this and I click copy, go to my front page. So of course you have to have your page ready. So this is my sales letter page, or not sales letter page, my easing page, okay, my online newsletter page. After everything is done, so I want to include the code or the email capture form here. So I go to HTML and I paste it. Go back normal or preview. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so you can adjust it. Okay, so this is how you do it. So when you upload this page to your website, this is the page that your viewers or your prospects will see. Okay, and they will subscribe it by writing their name here and the email address here. And once they click this subscribe button, they will be subscribed to your easing, and then you can follow up with them. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. It's quite straightforward and easy. Thank you for watching, and I see you again in other video series. Goodbye.